Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to fix a common problem on Porsches, however you want to say it, where water is actually getting into the battery compartment in the trunk. So I'm going to show you guys how to fix that with these easy to follow steps. The first thing you're going to want to do is actually raise the spoiler, put it in the up position, and then you're going to open the trunk. You can actually stop it halfway to make it a little bit easier. And if you see these little openings right here, they get filled with leaves and debris, which also go up through here. So what you can do is actually take a screwdriver to pull out any big pieces of leaf or debris that's in there to get it out. You can also use compressed air. You just put it in here and blow through and it'll come out, and then it'll prevent the leaking in the trunk. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and comment. Don't forget to like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe.